Hello, today we are going to show you on how to replace and install the controller for the disc filter. To do so, we have to dismantle all the tubings from the stager part, and also we have to dismantle the controller from the support. So let's start our work. After we dismantle the old unit, now we are going to replace it with a new controller. So this one is a new controller, GFC 2.1.5. Okay, let's take it out. So basically inside the box we have the controller with the 3-pin plugs, and also we have the manual, and also there is a called the strainer in case of you are using the pressure in you are using water pressure. For the tubing installation, so basically this part has number in it. So if you can see, there is number 3 here, and this one is number 2, and this one is number 1, and so on. If you look it closely, you can see there is a number here. So basically if you have 2 or 3 what we call number of filter, so it will start with number 2. This one is for the first filter, so or for the first backwash valve. So for the first backwash valve, put it in the port labeled with number 2, and for the second backwash valve, so just insert the tubing into the port number 3, and for the backwash valve number 3, put the tubing into the port number 4, and so on. So there is one part here that is a bit protrude from others. This one is for the inlet pressure, which is if you are using from the water, and also for the air pressure. For the differential pressure tubing, so basically the HP is for the high pressure, LP is for the low pressure. So HP, you should connect the tubing from the incoming water supply. This one is for the tubing from the outlet and from the products. And now we are going to install this controller to the disc filter. So basically after we install the controller to the disc filter, and also we already put all the tubings to the controller ports, and now next up we are going to look at the settings. So the first one, this is the main screen or the main display. They are showing the NAX and cycle. NAX 0048 M, cycle is 0050 M. So next is the remaining cycle or remaining time, before the next before the flushing to initiate or to start. And the cycle is the set the timing that we set for the this filter to run flushing. So for the controller setting, first we have to push right navigation button, and then it will appear the input system password. So just put it 2017 and enter. So it will show DP, TI, MA, and TSC is all the status. Okay, first is the manual start. So to run this, to run flushing by manual, so just press enter. But for now, we are going to do the setting first. So, so this one is clear CV data, or you can clear the data before. This one is the set cycle. So this is the timing or the duration for one cycle before it will start flushing. So basically, normally we are going to set it to around 3 hours or 180 minutes. So this one is dwell time, just leave it as 10 seconds because this one is just for the delay before the flushing to begin. So this one is number of filters. So for now we have 2 number of filters. So just change it to 2. So if you have 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and so on, just set it based on your number of filters. So with delay time, just leave it as 3 seconds. Flushing time, this is the flushing time or the duration for the flushing to occur. Or you can change it to 3 seconds or 60 seconds based on what you are required. But for now, we are going to change it to 60 seconds for the factory settings. So the master time also just leave it as 3 seconds. So the pitch flush limit actually how many times the stager will go for flushing when it detect there is a high differential pressure. So when it detect high in differential pressure, it will run on how many times you want it to keep on running until the differential pressure is getting normal. So basically we are going to set it for about 3 times. So DP delay is just leave it as a DP flush is the differential pressure for the flushing to occur. So that's all for the controller replacement and installation, and also all the settings that can be done by this controller.